Today, I'm going to show you how to take the only good part of Lucky Charms cereal, the marshmallows, and turn them into delicious cookies that are both crunchy and chewy with a balanced grown-up flavor thanks to a few secret ingredients. Of course, we can't get started without some Lucky Charms marshmallows, which you can either buy online at a ridiculously inflated price or just buy a box of Lucky Charms cereal and sort the marshmallows out yourself. You could also just bribe a friend or family member to do it for you with the promise of free cookies. Don't forget to save the rest of the cereal as a punishment for anyone who refused to help. In a medium bowl, add the all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, cream of tartar, powdered milk, and coffee grounds. Whisk to combine. To a mixer bowl, add your butter and granulated sugar and cream until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Give the bowl a scrape before adding the egg yolk, and a splash of vanilla. Beat again until very light and fluffy, about 3 minutes more. Add the dry ingredients to the bowl and mix on low speed until just combined. Now add the Lucky Charms marshmallows, some fruity pebbles, and some white chocolate chips. Give that another quick mix on low speed, just until combined. Use a cookie scoop or a couple spoons to portion the dough and roll it into more fruity pebbles. This step is optional, but it does add a lot of nice crunch and color to the outside of the cookie, so I highly recommend it. Don't worry about spacing the cookies out yet. These need to spend at least an hour and up to overnight in the fridge before they get baked. It's the next morning now, and these cookies have firmed up nicely and they're ready to go in the oven. Space them at least 3 inches apart on a parchment or silicone-lined baking sheet before baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius until spread, puffed, and cracked on top, about 14 to 16 minutes. Leave them to cool on the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, crunchy and chewy cookies that pay homage to the best cereal marshmallows that have ever existed, with a nice depth of flavor from the powdered milk and coffee grounds. I really think you'll love these, and I hope you'll give them a try. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!